Okay, this is part 7 of the reassembly. So now we're just putting in the light, the blinker light, or what they...
No, this is not a blinker light.
This is not a blinker. I'm sorry, my dad can correct me. So, Dad, explain what it is.
It's the back side of the mirror. You can see what it is.
No, explain what the light does.
It lights up. That's what usually lights do.
Okay, this light is usually a solid.
That's all it holds that in there is those 2 little clips. If you break those clips off, it will not stay in anymore.
So basically that is all you got to do to reassemble this kind of mirror, except your CB antenna, which your CB antenna...
Yeah, if you don't know how to take a CB antenna off, don't be doing this.
Correct. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. So technically, all you got to do is thread it back in.
He's trying to pierce your ear.
So
mosquito
basically,
trying to pierce your ear.
So all you gotta do. So it's all it does is go in.
I need some wrenches. This thing gonna get on there by itself.
So you don't have to.
I need more than one.
And guys, sorry, some people have to use 2.
2, yeah, you gotta use 2 because you don't want to strip it in the mirror. You break it off in there, then you gotta take it all back apart.
And then it's a lot more money into that. So basically, you just screw that back, use the wrench.
You can.
You can, or you can use vice grips.
No, you're probably going to have to go get me an end wrench. I cheated when you wasn't out here.
So usually an end wrench... If you
have the right size wrench makes the difference.
Yes.
Because you're going to have to get me the right size wrench. It looks like... 9/16.
Possibly.
Well, get it, Pilgrim. I need it.
Okay, ours is a 9/16. Our wrench is a 9/16 for our piece that we gotta have. So ours is a 9/16. Wait for the video. Wait for this camera to focus it. But it says 9/16. So this is what we would use to put them to tighten the rest of the antenna. As you guys can see, that antenna.
That's American 9/16. We need the Japanese one, which is probably a 1/2 inch.
Sorry, what my dad means is metric.
It is not. I was guessing. You didn't guess. It's 1/2 inch. Let me see if that fits on the bottom though.
Okay, and I will show you. I'll show you. And of course, you throw my wrench.
I want to see a boogie.
Oh, shut up. But you guys will see how much tools we ended up collecting over a long period of time. So we need half inch. So